Outsourcing helps Michigan jobs grow. According to the report done by the University of Michigan School of Public Policy stated that the developing growth signs for the economy of Michigan is increasing and the opportunity in the Michigan economy is growing rapidly because the state is working for it even if they are experiencing a twisted change. The Netlink Inc. anticipates that Michigan will compete and succeed in the global knowledge economy in the field of outsourcing. This company will be adding almost 500 jobs in Michigan, and they are planning to open a new buildings in Madison Heights, which will help in the development center in Bhopal, India. The employment number of the company has been doubled. The Netlink has succeeded by helping many companies outsource their back office business operations in computer services. Most people believe that the U.S. economy is not about to move and ship off to India because in the industry where there is still Netlink that can compete. They are anticipating more and more competitions from outsourcing firms in China, Eastern Europe, and also in Mexico. They also said that in the global knowledge economy, there are some companies which are operating free of competitive pressure. Like any other companies, they are also compete on the basis of technical expertise, service, and returning clear savings to our customers. In fact, most of the important sectors such as healthcare, financial services, law and accounting, which are some Michigan's best businesses, are already competing and winning in the global knowledge economy. But there are two issues that Michigan must solve. One is the Michigan's political leadership. It needs to resolve the state budget crisis without hurting the businesses that creates new jobs with an excessive tax burdens. Michigan's political leaderships need to address this problem with the same sense of urgency, and it is quickly escalating cost of higher education at state universities. Outsourcing really provides many jobs. It is such a great strategy for the company to create more jobs. This is an of synergy.